Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter Study of Animal Tissue. In that we are studying topic Smooth Muscle Fiber. Now when I say smooth muscle fiber, they are present in your visceral organs. Now what are these visceral organs and what are the smooth muscle fibers or unstriated fibers? Let's study a little bit more about them today. Either you say them smooth muscle fiber or you say them unstriated muscle fibers. Both are correct. They are termed as unstriated because there is a presence of actin and myosin kind of protein substances in them. Hence, no striations are seen. When I say striation, it simply means line or band-like substances. They contain spindle-shaped cells present in them, and they are located basically in visceral organs or in visceral regions of your body. For example, your kidney, ureters, your eyeballs will have them. Smooth muscle fibers. Now, smooth muscle fibers, or you simply say them non-striated muscle fibers. They are located in the walls of your visceral organs like your stomach region, intestine, kidney, blood vessels, or maybe your lungs. They contain spindle-shaped cells in coordination that are tapering at both ends or at the periphery, and it's uninucleated. They run parallel to each other and they are closely packed in a certain fashion. They lack the sarcolemma in general. Each muscle fibers show many fine contractile myofibrils that are arranged longitudinally in nature. Now nucleus is basically centrally placed and it is surrounded by little sarcoplasma. The proteins actin and myosin are randomly distributed in this kind of cells, and the smooth muscle are basically involuntary in action. That is, you cannot control them whenever you want. For example, heart is myogenic, lungs is also an involuntary kind of a muscle which never stops at your own will. Students, in this part of the chapter, we came across smooth muscles or unstriated muscles, and I hope you all are very clear about this concept. Thank you.